how are you today? I hope you are all well and happy. This time I will be showing you how I made this couple of standing teddy bears for a Valentine's Day cake topper. Let's get started!
First, I will make 2 pairs of legs for these 2 teddy bears in light brown and dark brown. I use a short skewer for each leg and I brush water on the skewer so the fondant sticks to the skewers. Then I tie a few skewers that I will use to make the teddy bear skin pattern. And next I will make their bodies. And next I add another short skewer to support their heads. And next for their hands, I didn't use floral wire in one hand of the teddy bear and I used floral wire for the other hand so that the hand using floral wire can be stretched forward. And next, I'm going to add a pink ribbon for the girl teddy bear. And then I'll make a heart-shaped balloon. And lastly, I'm going to add flowers to the girl teddy bear's hand. Then I will dry them all to make them more sturdy. So, what do you think of these teddy bears?
Thank you all for watching. I hope this teddy bear tutorial will be useful for you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!